Good Sunday evening / night, everybody. This is Edward from Ethan, and we're back with another video. Tonight's video will be on a talking alarm clock that I use for my daily alarm clock. I've had this alarm clock for years. I got it when I was a little kid, and honestly, I think it's old enough to where it was probably the first birthday gift I ever got in this house. And yeah, I hope you guys really like it. It is voice activated. You can't buy it anymore. You can, but it's kind of expensive for an alarm clock. It's got a very big display with numbers. It's got an AM/FM radio. There's a light here. They can turn on and off. See, it's off now, and then if I push the button on the far left side, it turns it on.
The time is 7:20 p.m.
If I click the snooze button up here, it will tell me the time. If I hold it down.
Welcome to the RCA voice-activated clock radio. Start by saying, "Wake up, sleepyhead." Your RCA clock radio will respond with, "What can I do for you?" Your RCA clock radio is now ready to receive and obey commands such as time, alarm, set time, sleep, and more. Give it a try.
Watch this. Wake up, sleepyhead. Wake up, sleepyhead. So sometimes it doesn't want to work with me. Wake up, sleepyhead. Wake up, sleepyhead.
What can I do for you?
Help.
You can say time, set time, alarm, set alarm, sleep, turn off the alarm, or help. The clock radio will not listen to a command when the radio is turned on or when the alarm is sounding. What can I do for you?
Time.
The time is 7:21 p.m.
Wake up, sleepyhead.
What can I do for you?
Set alarm.
Please choose alarm 1 or alarm 2.
Alarm 1.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound, including AM or PM.
7:23 p.m.
Alarm 1 is set to 7:23 p.m. Please choose the source, buzzer, or radio.
Buzzer.
Alarm 1 is set to 7:23 p.m. The source is buzzer. The alarm is on.
I will be honest, guys, it's usually not this good, but if you turn the light on and off, sometimes your voice microphone works a little bit better. It's kind of a weird thing I noticed with this clock. What time does it say it is now, though?
The time is 7:22 p.m.
So let that alarm go off, and then I'll set the next alarm. I'm just doing the buzzer sound so you guys know what the buzzer sounds like on this clock. If you just leave it, it gets louder. So I'll show you guys that. It has 2 buzzer sounds for the 2 different alarms. And I'll even show you guys how to use the sleep timer. You can manually use the sleep timer. There's a button over on the left side here where you can choose what you want, how many minutes you want. You can select anything with all these buttons down here. See? That's how you turn the alarm off. But you could hit the snooze button. Wake up, sleepyhead.
What can I do for you?
Set alarm.
Please choose alarm 1 or alarm 2.
Alarm 2.
Alarm 2 is set to 5.
You know what we're going to cheat? We're going to use this button
Tell
over
me
here.
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound, including AM or PM.
7:25 p.m.
Alarm 2 is set to 7:45 p.m. Please choose the source, but
Yeah, I'm doing a video. And of course, this thinking thing doesn't want to work. So sometimes you have to use the manual. Set it manually when it wants to be a pain in the butt.
Alarm 2 is set to 6:53 p.m.
Ah, no, I went too far. Oopsies. So now I'm going to have to see...
Alarm 2 is set to 7:19.
Sorry, guys. Let's see.
Alarm 2 is set to 7:29 p.m.
20.
Alarm 2 is set to 7:26 p.m. The source is buzzer. The alarm is on. The time is 7:25 p.m.
So then you guys will get to hear the second alarm. I will show you guys some other cool features with this clock that I've noticed over the years. One was that pushing on the snooze button and clicking the snooze button. Also, this clock has a thing here on the bottom so you can put in a battery. It's like some sort of, I don't know what kind of battery it is. It's a special kind of battery so that your time doesn't get lost when the power goes or when you unplug it. But I let that battery die and I haven't replaced it for a little while because I don't mind resetting the time. And it's kind of a pain in the butt to reset the time, but in North Dakota we don't get a lot of power outages often, so it's not that big of a deal. And I'll show you guys the AM and FM radio. There's no command to turn on the radio. You have to do that yourself. And remember, if I wanted to snooze it, which here I can actually show you guys, I'll go to...
Tell me the time you want the alarm to sound.
I'll show you guys how to do that, because we're doing a video on this.
Alarm 2 is set to 7:27 p.m.
And I'll show you guys how to
The source
snooze it.
is
It's this
buzzer.
button up top
The
here.
alarm is on.
This one right... Sorry. This one right up top here. It's this one. That's the snooze button. So we're going to hit that when this starts going off. It snoozes for like, I think it's what, 9 minutes, and then it'll go off again. It's pretty reliable, and it's a really great clock. So you see, click the snooze button. It's snooze now, but if I want to...
Alarm 2 is off.
See, you can manually turn it on or off. You don't have to use voice. You can just click the alarm
Alarm
one.
1 source is set to buzzer. Alarm 1 source is set to radio. Alarm 1 is on. Alarm 1 is off.
Wake up, sleepyhead.
What can I do for you?
Help.
You can say time, set time, alarm,
And we're not going to set
set
the,
alarm,
like...
sleep, turn
time.
off the alarm, or help. The clock radio will not listen to a command when the radio is turned on or when the alarm is sounding. What can I do for you?
Sleep.
Sleep timer is now set at 90 minutes. Please choose the sleep timer duration, 90, 60, 30, 15 minutes, or off.
15 minutes.
Sleep timer set to 15 minutes.
And you see, I can go.
Jake Coolin talks about events. He's in It's Community Billboard, weekday afternoons at 1 on Farm and Country.
The
See,
sleep
and I
timer
turned it
is now
off.
turned off.
You can also manually select it off the side here. So you can push this button.
Sleep timer is now set at 15 minutes. Please
And you can manually select it.
The sleep timer is now turned.
Oh, I have no idea what time I'm at because I can't read.
Sleep timer set to 60 minutes. In the day. Luckily,
See? No, just play the speakers right on the back of the alarm clock.
The works, a complete vehicle checkup, including a synthetic blend oil change, tire rotation and pressure check, brake inspection,
And just to turn off the sleep timer, you can still check the time.
Is 7:29 p.m.
But if you want to turn it off, you just click the radio off button. The radio on and off buttons are on the side. The set time buttons are right next to those. The one on the back is to the left. The one on the right goes forward. And then alarm 1 is on the left and alarm 2 is on the right. But you usually can set the alarm and stuff with voice unless you're like me who sometimes has trouble. I'll show you guys how to turn on the radio manually. We'll be done and I'll do a quick band scan.
Lives here. This is Ariana Grande.
This is The Weeknd.
This is Dua Lipa.
I'm Ed Sheeran. What's up, guys? I'm Shawn Mendes.
See, it doesn't have the worst speaker. I'll go AM. See, it only gets 1080 on AM. I used to have very good AM reception. But as this thing got older, the AM reception kind of died on it. So, yeah. I don't know if putting in a new battery for backup, keeping of time and stuff would work. Never really tried that to see if that would make my AM reception better. I don't know. I don't think it does, but I hope you guys really like this video. Also, for those of you who can see,
Alarm 1 source is set to buzzer. Alarm 2 is set to buzzer.
let's see if I can get that on video. So on the video here, I can't get it to show you guys, but when you have your alarms turned on,
Alarm 2 source.
they will literally, alarm 2 will pop up here on this side. Oops.
Alarm to sound, including AM or PM.
See, if you turn off the light too, it gets rid of your activation with voice, and so alarm 2 sign is right there. See, it's literally that little dot there, and then alarm 1 is.
Alarm 1. Alarm.
So if it's right there, it's buzzer. If it's right there, it's radio. And then if it's right there, it's off. And then
Alarm.
same with alarm 2. Select between buzzer and radio, or if you want it off manually. That's it for this alarm clock. It is a plug-in alarm clock. It is the RCA 50 voice activated. So that's what model it is. Like I said, it's not really made anymore, which is sad. It's a great alarm clock, and I think they have a few of them left that are new, but it's not very many. Discontinued by the manufacturers. So, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let Ethan and I know what you guys want to see next. Please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure the notifications are turned on, and see you guys in my next video, which will hopefully be tomorrow night. Yeah. Please comment and let Ethan and I know, like I said, what you guys want us to post, because we both struggle with ideas. So, yeah. Sorry, guys, that the AM wasn't very good on this radio. I mean, you can actually put your hand by the switch there to go from AM to FM, but it doesn't really do the best for an AM antenna. So, but yeah, have a great and wonderful Sunday night/evening, guys. This is Edward from Ethan and Edwards signing off and saying have a great night, folks and y'all.